Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Do Not Disturb turns on automatically on iPhone. And here's how it's done. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Focus. This is where Do Not Disturb is located. Tap on Do Not Disturb at the top. If Do Not Disturb is turning on by itself, it is likely due to a schedule being set. Scroll down to the Set Schedule section. If you see a schedule listed, tap on it. From here, you have a few options. Toggle the schedule off if you want to keep it, but disable it temporarily. Tap Delete Schedule if you want to remove it completely. Or edit the schedule, for example, turn it off on weekdays and keep it on during weekends. And that is everything to know about how to fix Do Not Disturb turns on automatically on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.